In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit pages on your Shopify store. Whether you want to add an About Us page, contact page, or any custom content page, Shopify makes the process simple and beginner friendly. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Online Store from the left sidebar menu. Next, click on Pages. This section contains all the pages currently available on your Shopify store. To create a new page, click on Add Page at the top right corner. Now enter a title for your page. Make sure the title clearly describes the content of the page. After that, move to the Content section and type the information you want to display on the page. You can format the text using options like bold, italic, headings, and links to make your page look more professional and easier to read. If you want the page to be visible immediately, make sure the visibility setting is set to visible. Once everything looks good, click on Save. If you want to edit an existing page, simply return to the Pages section and click on the page you want to update. Make your changes and click Save again. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create and edit Shopify pages on your store. Thanks for watching and happy building your Shopify store.